maintain that defensive intensity and that energy. Not allow some of the offensive rebounds and, of course, the turnovers that we saw in the first half. So just want to tighten things up, especially on the defensive end.
Yeah, the defense is the name of the game as Joe Harris comes out and drills his first.
He had his 1,000th assist of his career back at the end of February. Lakers take it away. Here they go 3-on-2. Danny Green. Underneath, Top McGee. This is not a well-run break at all, but they might get away with it.
No, they're not.
No, they're 3-on-1 that turned into a 4-on-1 that turned into nothing. Unfortunately,
you know you're going to get scored on when you miss a
and that's
break
what
like
happened.
That.
To convert what was a sure deuce, you would think.
And the Nets on that previous possession where the Lakers ended up with that 4-on-1, Dinwiddie did what you never do. You get double teamed, you never dribble to the corner and pick up your dribble.
LBJ on top. LeBron had 4 rebounds, 4 assists. That one off the rim, taken by Jordan. He don't want to dribble with it. So he gives it to the guy who does, and that's Dinwiddie. Spencer. His first name, University of Colorado. Jordan, one-hand throw down. Timeout immediately. 4 Lakers now in double figures. They had 6 in double digits the last time these two teams met back in January. DeAndre Jordan. Once the coaching change was made, he was inserted into the starting lineup, and he has been told he'll be there for the rest of the year. This is long distance from Dinwiddie.
10 turnovers now for the Lakers.
Back to the Brooklyn lead. Left hand, LBJ. No, gets denied. Got hit on the arm. They're 10-2 on their floor. The passes to Toronto. Mike, you want to expand a little bit on the free throw shooting of LeBron?
Weekend, guys, and he went to the free throw line 14 times.
No screen or anything.
Got to be aware every time he comes across the timeline. He shot a couple from the logo already. That's good challenge by AD. Rebound to LeBron. That's his 6th of the game. LeBron going to try it again.
That was a tough one there.
AD picks up the garbage. Thank you very much. Good effort so far for Brooklyn. Again, pretty solid playoff spot right now. But again, they're in the 7th position. With some breathing room over number 9. That's an offensive rebound, Jordan. Big show on defense. And their heads are spinning around. Down goes Caruso, and the dunk by Jordan as they didn't call the offensive foul. Timeout, Lakers. Brooklyn playing good basketball lately, 3 out of 4, but still, Lakers best in the world. So far tonight, they beat them at their place, the Barclays Center, by 15 in January. Kuzma for 3. You're right, that dynamic duo has been unstoppable all year. Chioza got it. He's got another one.
Just under 9 minutes to play here. See what the Lakers do about trying to shut off the penetration.
Good shot by Prince. But LeBron, boy, he just snuck under there and scored.
The second chance points have really been an issue here for the Nets as they've taken advantage of some offensive rebound.
A hustle play by Karis LeVert. Lakers trying to dent that lead. LeBron fall back, rebound LeVert. We're going to see Alex Caruso trying to change up the momentum in a moment. the momentum in a moment. Look at this from the outside by Chiozza. Long lead,
Offensive
Kuzma, foul.
Yeah, he pushed off.
Quickly LeBron, 2 hands up to Kuz. Kuzma one-on-one with LeVert. Hit a tough shot from that exact spot a moment ago.
Offensive foul.
They don't call anything, but he can't convert it. Caruso, LeBron, open. Tapped out by McKee. His body's on the floor. That's going to be out of bounds, Brooklyn, and you're right.
Wow, he got away.
He might have gotten away with foul number 5.
He definitely got away with that one. His arm came away from his body. LeBron's getting his rest right now, so they bring Anthony Davis back in with 6:50 to play.
Well, credit to Brooklyn, but still, the Lakers have been sleepwalking, sluggish throughout a lot of this game, and they give up another basket.
That's the largest lead of the game there.
Lakers and Houston here on Thursday. Lakers and Denver here on Sunday. Game on Thursday's national TV only. Lakers have missed their last 6 field goals. They are overdue. LeBron backing up, sizing up the defender. Here he is, stepping back for 3. LeBron James.
And it makes it a 6-point game with 5.5 to play.
Shot urges defense. No whistle on top. Dinwiddie, KCP, going one-on-one, kicked by Jared Allen. The roll, the lob, it's underneath Allen's hair, and he gets fouled.
Boy, that was some catch by Jared Allen. When he threw that, he was off. When he was ready to jump, he was a little off balance, but boy, did he elevate.
If you want to learn more about the positive impact that the Lakers are making in the community, follow @Lakers Community on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to see photos and recaps of the Lakers as they strive to be champs in the community.
This is the first of 2, but then follows that up with another miss, and the Lakers have a chance with 5:10 to play to pull even closer.
LeBron into the key, wanted to bounce to Davis. Instead, the mid-range. If we got a whistle, we got to travel. We got a traveling violation on LeBron.
I think he traveled. I don't know. It looked like that pivot foot.
Good defense, and LeBron has the basketball. LBJ stops with Jordan in front of him.
And they've got a mismatch if they swing the ball to the right side.
LBJ with his 42nd double-double already goes around and then gets fouled. He's going to shoot. And you see the improvement over the last few games for LeBron. You saw it on the graphic.
He hasn't made a free throw tonight.
Nervous time in Los Angeles. LBJ with control of it. LeBron for the tie. In and out. What a heartbreak that time for LeBron.
Well, they put Joe Harris in the game, so if you try to help off of that side, you're in trouble.
Dinwiddie on its way. Spencer Dinwiddie, Taft High School.
Well, this could be the Lakers' last offensive chance here. This possession. There's 28 seconds. If they don't score here, then they're going to get put into a foul situation. That doesn't look good offensively.
LeBron backing it up, guarded by Chandler. Here comes a pick by Bradley. LeBron with 13 to shoot. Shot clock is 4 ahead of the game. LeBron looks to attack. Here he goes on the way. Can't score. Loose basketball. AD has it. It's loose, out of bounds. Laker ball.
How did
Laker
LeBron miss that
with-
way? Wow. LeBron gets right to the rim. The ball touches every part of it, but doesn't go down as he's with the left. And
again, the Lakers at 2 to tie, 5.1 remaining. Lakers down 2. Danny Green got to get it in, finds LeBron with 4, with 3. LeBron all the way. AD to win the game. And Brooklyn has come in 104 to 102.